Hey guys, I'm back in another video. Okay, and today I'm gonna be showing you my first card trick I've ever learned. Yeah, like, subscribe, and share. All that good stuff. Smash the like button. That's what's up. Yeah, hope y'all enjoy. To learn this magic trick, all you need is basic skills, so you need to know the top card. So in this case, it's 3 of diamonds. You don't tell them anything about top card, don't tell choose a card, instead tell take a card. So if you tell choose a card, they might think okay, and then they'll touch it, you take it, and they might see something suspicious. So just tell take a card, they take it, you don't touch the deck anymore. Close the deck. Okay, they see it, and in this case it's, what is that, 6 of clubs, yep. You just take it, don't do anything, just place it on top and give it a cut. And then you spread and tell, is your card over there? And then spot the 3 of diamonds, which you, yep, it's over there. And in the left side of it will be their card. If you fan from the left side of the table, the left side of your card, 3 of diamonds, will be their card, 6 of clubs. So now you know it's 6 of clubs. Now all you need to do is just shuffle the deck real quick. Now you give it to them, tell it, okay, shuffle, or you shuffle it, and do real shuffles, no fake. And if you want, you can give it to them as I said. They shuffle it as much as they want. It's the first card trick I've ever gotten.